Yes, sir. Got a care package today from the 90s, mid 90s. Really nice stuff. Wanted to show these ball shells first. These things are very beautiful, very symmetrical and breaking, and very nice, perfectly lacquered from Beehigh. I'll show you some of these. Whistling red crackling. Green with crackling. Jumbo green chrysanthemum. That's what cherry means. Red and green wave. It's just crackling. Blue stars with crackling. Blue glitter. Yellow stars. Tiger tail. Silver tiger tail. Golden stars. Here's another silver tiger tail with green wave. There's a red tiger tail with green wave. Silver palm, nice. Can you really look at that? Yeah. Yeah. Silver tiger tail. It's really nice. Beautiful, beautiful shells. They don't make them like that anymore. Had to show you this one. This is very rare. It's a two-stage crackling jet. I've got a whole pack of these, but I don't have a single. And I wanted to show one off, but yeah, assault chopper, you know that one. These guys called they're Link Triad air bomb specialty, but got 6. Another one. Another one. Those air bombs are great. I remember those. Now these, they look like a gimmick back in the day. You know, they look kind of funny, you know, but these are, inside here is a special, they're made just as well as those. The symmetrical, beautiful. This one's colorful pearls. Red wave. Dragon egg. Beautiful. Green peony white. Silver crackling. This will pop off. I'll show you inside here. Colorful stars with reports. Just little crackle or whatever. I think it's crackle. There might be some firecrackers, actual firecrackers in there. That'd be interesting to find out. Green strobe. Palm tree. Yellow crackling. Salute, probably just Firecrackers, I gotta think. Blue crackling. And green peony wave. Get over to the other stuff here. Apollo. Apollo of the Ozark. 12-pack unopened. Is it unopened? I don't feel like 12 in there. It doesn't feel like it's opened either. 4, 6, yeah, it's 12. Here's one that's opened. And this one. I don't recognize them. Pyropop. They're hot glued. Got 2 of them. And here's a close look at the Apollos. Nope. I don't think these are Apollos. No. These came from somewhere else. They're silver salutes, but they're not Apollos. Must be something he had. Get an Apollo out. Yeah, way different. The Apollos are hot glued. And they're glued in. Nice. I'm a happy boy.